Adagi dey Rama. Everybody dey wait. Otakene n'ọgbọ. Ife dị mma amaka. Better soup na money kill am oo. Adamma. Ngwa peken ya ada. Ada yoo. Baby, I don't know what to sing again now. All the song have just disappeared in my head. All the whole song just disappeared in my head. You still want me to sing again? Where's my what? Okay, my key song. You know those one I tell you now. Pump your tires. Pump your tires. You know they are singing that song when you are catching cold. You know when you are pumping bicycle tire, right? You know what is bicycle, right? You position yourself. You position yourself how that man, those people that is pumping tire, they are positioning. You know when you are pumping tire, that you position yourself like that. The master will stand up there. They will say, "Pump your tires." Primary school life sweet though that time, and that time big people in school then. My journey. We sing the day is bright and fair, to happy day, and the day of joy. The day is bright and fair, to happy day of joy. Mama dey love rice. You know, we sing that song any day wey rain fall. 6 o'clock, heavy rain may fall. You know, the breeze will still be blowing small when you people are having morning devotion. You have to you sing that song. You know, that song goes like that day, maybe that morning, what your body really need is jollof rice. That is maybe hot hot jollof rice. That is what I'm trying how I'm gonna describe it so you can understand it. You know, uh let me just use this one. You know, ground beans, right? Then grind the beans, they will put it in a cup and cook it. You understand that thing? What did you people call it? You know, when they grind beans, right? They put it in a cup and cook it. It will be like they put egg, put different inside of it, or some is putting fish. They have his own fish. We call it moi moi. Moi moi. There's one woman that is selling it that time. You know, that period, if you did not eat that thing in the morning, hey, if you did not have money to eat it that day, hey, see, you are missing a lot. You are missing a lot. Moi moi. It's that time, that period is 10 naira. They are selling 10 naira, 20 naira. Then I learned how to drive bicycle, right? In when I'm in JS, is it JS1? Yeah, we are doing inter-house then, right? I don't know how to drive bicycle before. So the thing, that time now, I'm angry now. I need to learn it, but I don't have bicycle. But bicycle then is like, you understand? Yes. So, but that time there is a place, there is a stream that some of my friends is going to is far. Oh. That place we are going to fetch drain. Only the water come out from a mountain, right? It's coming out from rock. It's coming out from rock. So we are going. It's very far, but we due to what there is no water. But the time we usually go there to fetch that water is dry season, right? Dry season. So one person are not going. Like if you are going in, many people, you see crowds, bicycle everywhere, bicycle. You see some people say they will fetch. Maybe they are coming, their rubber will fall in the road, will break. Their rubber will break in the road. So that place is enjoyable. You go there to bath. When you bath finish, because that place, before you go when you reach there, you park your bicycle on top there. Yeah, you go down, it's very deep, it's mountain. You go down, you go down. Then when the time you will suffer is that when you are carrying the rubber, when you are coming up, you will suffer. Some people fall in that mountain when you are coming up, your rubber will break. Some people will come up. So that period, everybody want bicycle now, so that if you never go that place to fetch water, it's like you are missing something. It's like there's something special you are missing. That time I don't know how to drive bicycle now. Hi, the thing is paining me. Then I did not go, but I later learn how to drive. You know the day I learn how to drive in school. That time we are doing our house sports. In break time, some people is playing ball in the field. There is one bicycle park beside the mango tree, right? I don't know. I don't know who has. I don't know who have that bicycle. I'm just sitting on top of that bicycle. Look at how God is doing something. Oh. I'm just sitting on top of that bicycle, holding it, watching ball. Oh. Look at, I'm just sitting on top of it, watching ball, right? So just be playing. My mind is no. Listen, I don't even know when I drive that bicycle out from that place. Hey, the thing just shocked me. So the time I now it's like something enter inside me. This time it's like the time I now get myself. I'm driving that bicycle. I reason, I listen. I reason somehow there. There's listen. I drive that bicycle the whole day. The time I come back, they close school. The school have closed. The owner of the bicycle is looking for the bicycle. That is when I come back. Listen, now, I come back. Then the owner now take the bicycle and no problem. The owner did not even ask me too much question and now take the bicycle. It's like God just want to do that. That's why if I sometimes if I say if God want to do something, He will just do it. Boom, He will just do it. Anything that yeah, He will just do it simple. If you want to, even if you are like be sleeping, He will just do it that moment you want it. Bam. If you like be sleeping, if you like be doing, if you want to do it, you will do it. That is one thing I see that. But the guy take the bicycle. So I'm thinking in my mind, can I still drive bicycle when I see bicycle?